Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to create a WordPress plugin starting from scratch, and this is gonna be like a series of videos on how to do this. But in this first video, you're really gonna see and you're gonna know how to do it. You get me? So, and the other coming videos, those gonna be the things which you have to do and all that you understand. But in this first video, you're gonna know how to create it, how to start and do a WordPress video. Okay, a WordPress plugin. Okay, right. First of all, I expect that you already installed your WordPress and it's local on a local machine. So here, what I do, I go to my dashboard. After dashboard, then I click plugin. And after clicking plugin, you can see that how many plugins I have. I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, 2, 3 of them. So now we're going to go to our WordPress where we installed WordPress to see the files. Those files, we're gonna do some couple of setup. When in here, you're gonna go to WordPress. I'm in WordPress here. Then you find the file called wp-config. That file, you edit it. When you click on edit, you're gonna find a line which says define wp-debug, make it to be true. Why? Because if you find an error or if you write a wrong code, your WordPress is gonna show that error instead of the WordPress to show you a blank page. So if it shows a blank page, it's gonna do what? You won't know what is going on with the code. What did you do wrong? You understand? So that's all. So then that's why we're doing this. We're gonna make it true. Okay, after making it true, you save. That's all what you needed. So after saving that, close that. Then you see this is the file structure. Then you go to WP content folder. You double click on that. You open there. Then you go to plugins. Once you're in plugins, you're gonna see that there's a plugin here, there's a plugin here. So what is required here? Create a folder called the plugin you want to create. So my plugin is gonna be called Azania plugin. Okay, maybe I'm gonna say Azania _ plugin. Okay, then once I create this, I will have to do what? That folder is done to be created. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find if we have that in plugins. Click on new and try to search if that name is there. If that name is not there, then it's fine. But if it's there, then you don't have to create that, because you're gonna find a problem whereby your plugin is gonna conflict with other plugins. Good enough, there is no any plugin called Azania. Good. Okay, once we're done with that, we know that there's no plugin called Azania. So what you do, you come back here in Azania plugin. So in the plugin, what you do, you're gonna create a new file here. So a new file is gonna be a PHP file. You're gonna use the text pad to do that. I'm gonna create text. Okay, this is a text pad which gonna have what they call a PHP. It's gonna be a PHP file. Let me say PHP HP. Okay, after creating PHP, then you go down here. Then I'm gonna save it. After saving it, I'm gonna save it where I did in the folder where I created that. Okay, HTML. I'm gonna go to WordPress, then you're gonna go to WP content, then you say plugin, then under Azania. So that file should be called the same name as your plugin. Okay, also. So after doing that, you say .php. After creating that, then it's gonna be created, and you say you find. You can see the file is called that Azania _ plugin. You get me? So So once it's created like that, then it's fine. So now is that enough? We don't know. So let me show you if it's enough or not enough. So when you click on plugins, you can see that Azania plugin is not there. So that's not enough. There's some things you have to write here to be recognized, your plugin to be recognized. Remember, you might make a mistake, which is a little bit not a little bit common, I think. Do not put space here. Do not put space after the PHP tag, and don't close the PHP tag. So just go to the next line, then you start putting what you see, this comment. Exactly what I'm doing is what you got to do. Go to the next line, put that star, then go and start writing and say what you say at package. Say at package. Okay, package. I guess that's the right spelling. Okay, then space, then you put your plugin here, plugin name. Then after that you go down here, then you close that, what they call those comments. Then you come in here inside, you create another one saying capital. We're gonna do what they call also open comments, like in what they call in the ones which, like the ones you see here, this kind of comments, not the inline ones. Okay, now what you do, you come down here and say plugin. Okay, plug in. Okay, plugin name, which is gonna be name here. Okay, after plugin name, you come and space here and say your plugin Azania. I'm gonna make it to be Azania plugin. Okay, even if I don't put this, okay, and I say Azania plugin. Okay, right, and after finishing that, I'll go to the next line. I think I wanted to make this to be a capital P. Okay, I wonder why is it showing P or P. Okay, it looks like that, but it's a capital P. You go down here and say plugin URI, not L. It's gonna be plugin URI. These are all in capital letters. Space, no space, put colon. Okay, then you say you can put your website anyway where the plugin is gonna be. Okay, somebody else they can download the plugin. HTTPS. Even if you don't have, just put something like fake something. HTTPS. Then put this, double click. Then you say we can say kingmusa.co.za or .com, maybe / where the plugin is gonna be sitting if somebody wants to get it. Plug in. Okay, once you're done with that, you go to the next line and say description. Understand? So description. Okay, after that, then you do that and say this plugin is for me and you. Maybe you say this is, you give it a good description. This is my best plugin. Okay, right, once you're done with that, you go to the next level line and say version what. Okay, maybe it's gonna be 1.0.0. okay, then you go down and say author. Who's the author of the plugin? Author is gonna be, this is where you see it says by. You know when the plugin say by who? Azania tutorials. Okay, after that, then you say author. Okay, author what? They're gonna be URI, not URL, the same as we did before. URI. Okay, put colony, you put the any HTTP, any what website, HTTPS, then colony, then you say King Musa. This time we're gonna say .com. So you're gonna put something simple, because we know here we just doing what, we just demonstrating. Go here, and the next page, the next line, you say license. This is very also important. License. WordPress does not allow anyone to create a plugin which doesn't have any free license. You get me? So put this for now, GPL v2 version 2 or later. Understand? I'm gonna say version 2 or later. Okay. Right, you go to the next line, which is gonna say text domain. Text domain. Then I'm gonna put my plugin name here, and that's it. We do this, we save, and go check if we have something. Okay. When we're here, I'm gonna refresh and see if we are recognized. 100% we are recognized. You can see Azania plugin. You get me? Do you understand? This is super good, guys. Super good. So we created a plugin already. If I click on this, it goes to those fake website as we said, and you can see version is giving here. This is my best plugin. You understand? That's the description you put. You remember? So this guy also, this is the description they put when they are writing their own plugins. You understand? So now I believe that's better. We have managed to create our first plugin. You can see it. Okay, you activate, you delete, whatever, everything is there, 100%. So now what I'm gonna do something else also, which is also recommended to do, and you're gonna do it. You must do it. I'm gonna create a file called, okay, I'm gonna create another file here, and that file is gonna be called what? I'm gonna save it here exactly, and it's gonna be called index .php. It's okay. This file helps for security. You know, every time when you visit something, you have to go to the index, mostly in web, so it helps you for security here. So you say this is the way WordPress try to deal with PHP to deal with the bad guys. So here we can put a comment here, and you can see, I want to show you something anyway before we go far. If we go to okay, if I go to open, okay, I can save this the way it is. Okay, and I can put this like security silence. Okay, whenever somebody try to access your code, is gonna come here, so it won't allow him to go far. So now I wanted to show you something why I'm doing this. I'm gonna go to plugins, and I open this file here, this one. You can see this one is in plugins, but no, let me go in here. You can see here. You see the plugin. You can see what you say. Silent is what? Golden. Okay, we can use the same line here, and we copy it, and we go to ours and do the same what? The same thing. You get me? So when we come in here and we save, so it's okay. You get me? So now guys, this is the first part, and everything's 100%. This is the way you write your plugin. You make your folder to be the plugin name. You make the also another PHP file. This is the PHP file which is called exactly your plugin name. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna go to part 2, part 3, part 4, like that until when we finish. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to support us. Don't forget to share this on Twitter, Facebook, wherever you can share. And also don't forget to come for part 2, part 3, part 4, whatever. So please subscribe and also put that notification bell, so that whenever we put a new part, you're gonna be following that, and you'll be able to know how to create a perfect plugin. But for now, this is the basic, and we have started already. We're gonna go to part 2. Whatever we've done, I don't think we're gonna repeat it. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.